Good morning, champs. We solved the differential equation y prime equals y plus y squared. First, we recognize the type. We see a y squared term, so this is a Riccati equation. Now, we check if it is separable. Rewrite it as dy over dx equals y plus y squared. Now, factor the right side. Y plus y squared equals y times 1 plus y. Now separate variables. We get dy over y times 1 plus y equals dx. Now we use partial fractions. We write 1 over y times 1 plus y as a over y plus b over 1 plus y. Multiply by y times 1 plus y. We get 1 equals a times 1 plus y plus b times y. Choose y equals 0. Then 1 equals a, so a equals 1. Choose y equals negative 1. Then 1 equals negative b, so b equals negative 1. So the fraction becomes 1 over y minus 1 over 1 plus y. Now integrate both sides. The integral of 1 over y is natural log absolute value y. The integral of 1 over 1 plus y is natural log absolute value 1 plus y equals x plus c. Combine the logarithms. Natural log absolute value of y over 1 plus y equals x plus c. Now exponentiate. The absolute value is absorbed into the constant. So y over 1 plus y equals c e to the power x. Now solve for y. Y equals c e to the power x divided by 1 minus c e to the power x. And that is the final answer. Key idea. When you see y plus y squared, factor first. I recommend you to check my playlists on multivariate calculus.